gonna go to bed. The actual GoPro, I don't know why this bloody phone's not as like it used to be. The GoPro's actually stopped working now, so I've exhausted the battery. Listen to that rain, guys. This is why I've got this set up. I'm not stuck in a tent. Let's put this hat in the tent. Let's put it down that end so I don't lose it. That's like a 6-hour candle, mate. It's a really good candle, that one. It's from Sainsbury's. I need to get a new one because the door's gone. But basically, guys, I'm going to bed and it is 7 o'clock in the morning. I think I'm sort of being appreciating like a bit more here because I haven't been here for a long time. There we go. Fucking great setup, guys. Look at that. Just hear the rain coming. Look at that. No window, just rain. Let's go and get the tripod. Oh, get back in here. Let's rinse that off. What I'll do, I'll get a cloth, not a cloth, but a paper towel, some tissue, and just wipe that down and put that in the tent. So the only thing I'm leaving out is my jacket. I'll spread this out here. I'll put the lantern in there. I've still got the ambient, but I've got to make sure so they can fly to. Listen to that rain, mate. You probably can't hear what I'm saying. Fucking brilliant. Fucking good setup though, mate. Don't leave that there though. I always check around before I go to bed, like, okay, that's got to go in the tent, this has got to stay out. Even when I'm wild camping in the woods, I won't leave anything out that I really don't want to be taken. Yeah, I love this line. I got it off of YouTuber actually. I just like to have the line. Obviously this will not be against the tent, so that'll be dragged over to here. All the bags will be over here when I'm in bed, so it doesn't knock against the fly of the tent or like potentially damage it. I did cinch this up, so this is 2 bits of cordage. Eventually I'll change it to how many millimeters? 5 millimeters, which is the same cordage I use for my 3x3. The cordage up there is 9 millimeters, which is perfect for this type of setup. I'll probably need a bit more thicker rope for a 4x4, so I'll get a thicker rope for next time. I might ask my dad actually. He said if you want some more rope, but I need quite a lot of it. So that's 4 plus this side is 5 meters. So that is 5 meters this side from the tarp that way. 5 meters from the edge to there. So that's 5, 10, 14 meters. Each of my guide ropes are 5 meters each. I measured all of them myself with a tape measure. So all my guide ropes are 5 meters each. There you go, guys. This is actually test footage, so on the S5 without nothing, and see, I'm actually quite close to the microphone, to see what the audio quality is like. So I don't know when I'm going to use this on the last video because it's at the end before the outro. So, alright guys, bye bye.